Hello students, this is the 62nd lecture for SY BCom students. Name of the subject is Business Statistics. Semester 4, Unit 4, Lecture 3. Name of the topic is Assignment Problems. Okay, this is the next lecture for SY BCom students. Special cases is in assignment problems. Unbalanced problem. When the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns, it is an unbalanced assignment problem. Here we add the required number of dummy rows or columns with all its elements as 0 to the matrix so as to make it a square matrix, that is balanced one. Use Hungarian method to solve the problem further. The assignment in the dummy row or column indicates an idle facility or task. See the example. A company has 4 machines to do 3 jobs. Each job can be assigned to one and only one machine. The cost of each job on each machine is given below. What are the job assignments for minimum cost? So there are 4 machines M1, M2, M3 and M4. And there are 3 jobs A, B and C. Machine M1 can process job A in 17 rupees. Machine M1 can process job B in 7 rupees. Machine M1 can process job C in 9 rupees. Machine M2 can process job A in 23 rupees. Machine M2 can process job B in 12 rupees. Machine M2 can process job C in 14 rupees. Machine M3 can process job A in 27 rupees. Machine M3 can process job B in 16 rupees. Machine M3 can process job C in 18 rupees. Machine M4 can process job A in 31 rupees. Machine M4 can process job B in 18 rupees. Machine M4 can process job C in 21 rupees. Now this is the unbalanced assignment problem, as there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So as number of rows is not equal to number of columns, the problem is unbalanced assignment problem. To solve by Hungarian method, we will add a dummy row with 0 cost and solve by Hungarian method as follows. So M1, M2, M3, M4, A, B, C and dummy. Dummy row has got all the elements as 0 values. We will apply this routine procedure, Hungarian method. Step 1, row wise subtraction. So in the first row, 17, 23, 27, 31. The minimum element is 17. So we will subtract 17 from every element. So the resultant row becomes 17 minus 17 becomes 0. 23 minus 17 is 6. 27 minus 17 is 10. 31 minus 17 is 14. Second row, the elements are 7, 12, 16, 18. Minimum value is 7. So we will subtract 7 from every element. So resultant row becomes 7 minus 7 becomes 0. 12 minus 7 is 5. 16 minus 7 is 9. 18 minus 7 is 11. Third row, the elements are 9, 14, 18, 21. And the minimum value is 9. So 9 should be subtracted from every element, and the resultant row becomes 9 minus 9 becomes 0. 14 minus 9 is 5. 18 minus 9 is 9. 21 minus 9 becomes 12. And the last row is the dummy row, so it will be as it is 0, 0, 0 and 0. So next step is column wise subtraction. As every column has got 0 as one of the elements, so we can get the same matrix in the step 2. So the next resultant matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 5, 5, 0, 10, 9, 9, 0, 14, 11, 12, 0. Now in the third step we have to draw the lines. Minimum number of lines should cover the maximum zeros. So 4 zeros can be covered with help of vertical line and 4 zeros can be covered with help of horizontal line. So there are only 2 lines which can be drawn to cover all the zeros. So number of lines is not equal to number of rows and columns. Therefore solution is not optimal. Subtract minimum uncovered element 5 from all uncovered elements. Add it at intersection positions, keeping covered elements as it is. So the resultant matrix becomes 0, 0, 0, 5, 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 4, 0, 0, 9, 6, 7, 0. Now we have to draw again the number of lines, minimum number of lines to cover maximum zeros. So 3 zeros can be covered with the help of this vertical line. 3 zeros can be covered with the help of this vertical line. 2 zeros are covered with the help of this line, and last 0 is covered with the help of last fourth line. So number of lines is equal to number of rows and columns. Therefore solution is optimal. We can start assignments. So we will rewrite the matrix as A, B, C dummy, M1, M2, M3, M4, and the values which are there in the matrix are 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 1, 0, 0, 0, see 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 4, 0, 0, so 5, 4, 0, 0, 9, 6, 7, 0, 9, 6, 7, 0. Now in the first row itself there is exclusive 0. So we will put it in a box and other 2 zeros can be cancelled. So if I cancel this 0, in the second row this becomes exclusive 1. So we will have to mark this 0. Third row there are 2 zeros which are available. So we will leave for the time being. Fourth row there are 3 zeros. So we will leave for the time being. We will go column wise first. Last column we have only one exclusive 0. So we have to mark this 0. M3 column also. So if you mark this 0, we have to cross this 0 and this 0 also. So definitely there is only one 0 in this column. So we will have to mark this and we will have to mark this also. So the assignments are: job A is assigned with machine M1 and the minimum cost is 17 rupees. Job B is assigned to machine M2 and the minimum cost is 12 rupees. Job C is assigned to M3 machine and the cost is 16 rupees. And dummy job is assigned to M4 machine with cost 0. So the total cost becomes 17 plus 12 plus 16, that is nothing but 45. See the next example. A company has 4 machines on which to do 3 jobs. Each job can be assigned to one and only one machine. The cost of each job on each machine is given in the following table. What are the job assignments which will minimize the cost? So the machine names are W, X, Y, Z and the jobs are A, B, C. See the solution. As number of rows is not equal to number of columns, the given problem is unbalanced assignment problem. Hence, we will add a dummy row and solve the whole problem by assignment method, by Hungarian method. So W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C and dummy row with 0 cost. And we will replace all the other elements as it is. Now apply the Hungarian method. Step 1, row wise subtraction. So in the first row 18, 24, 28, 32. The minimum value is 18. So 18 minus 18 becomes 0. 24 minus 18 is 6. 28 minus 18 becomes 10. 32 minus 18 becomes 14. Second row, the elements are 8, 13, 17, 19 and the minimum value is 8. So 8 should be subtracted from every element. So 8 minus 8 becomes 0. 13 minus 8 becomes 5. 17 minus 8 becomes 9. 19 minus 8 becomes 11. Third row elements are 10, 15, 19, 22 and the minimum value is 10. So 10 minus 10 becomes 0. 15 minus 10 becomes 5. 19 minus 10 the value becomes 9. 22 minus 10 the value is 12. And the last row has got 0, 0, 0, 0 as the elements. So we will replace 0, 0, 0 and 0. Step 2, we have to subtract column wise. As every column has got 0 as minimum element, the resultant matrix will be same as this one, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 5, 5, 0. See, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 5, 5, 0, 10, 9, 9, 0 and 14, 11, 12, 0. So this is nothing but column wise subtraction. Now we have to cover maximum 0 should be covered in minimum number of lines. So there are only 2 lines which are covering all the zeros. So number of lines is not equal to number of rows and columns. The solution is not optimal. Subtract minimum element 5 from all uncovered elements. Add it at the intersection position, keeping covered elements as it is. So 0 is covered, it will be as it is. This 0 is also covered. Third 0 is also covered. This 0 is at the intersection position, so this will get replaced by 5. Then 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 0 covered as it is. 10 minus 5 becomes 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 0 covered as it is. 14 minus 5 is 9. 11 minus 5 is 6. 12 minus 5 is 7. 0 covered as it is. So we have to cover zeros again. So there are only 3 lines which are covering all the zeros. So repeat the procedure. Uncovered minimum element is 4. 4 is to be subtracted from all uncovered. Covered elements will remain as it is and intersection places will get added by 4. So 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 9, 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, 0, 0, 4, 5 minus 4 becomes 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0 and 0 covered as it is. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3 and 0 covered as it is. Now we have to draw lines again. So the first line covers 3 zeros. This line is also covering 3 zeros. This line will cover 2 zeros and the last 0 is covered by the fourth line. So the number of lines is equal to number of rows and columns. The solution is optimal. We can start assignments. So we will rewrite W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C dummy. So 0, 0, 0, 9, 1, 0, 0, 4, 1, 0, 0, 0, 5, 2, 3, 0. Now if you observe, the first row itself has got first row has got exclusive 0. So we can mark this in a box and the other 2 zeros can be crossed on. So if I cross the second 0, now second row has got 3 zeros, so we will leave it. Third row has got 2 zeros, so we will leave it. Last row has got only single 0, so we will have to mark this. So in a box, so if we mark this, we have to cross this. If we cross this, we have to mark this. If we mark this, we have to cross these two zeros and we have to mark this one. So there are two solutions to this problem. A is allocated with W with value 18, B is allocated with value X with value 13, C is allocated with value Y with cost 19, and dummy is allocated with Z with value 0. So the total becomes 18 plus 13 plus 19, total is 50. One more solution is there. A is allocated with W with value 18, B is allocated with Y, the minimum value is 17, C is allocated with X, the value is 15, and dummy is allocated with Z, that is 0. So 18 plus 17 becomes 35, 35 plus 15 becomes 50. See the next example. 5 jobs are assigned to 5 people. Each person will do one job only. The expected time in hours required for each job for each person have been estimated and are shown in the following table. Determine optimal assignments. So we have jobs as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and persons also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the time values are given in the following matrix. So we will apply, this is the balanced assignment problem because number of rows is equal to number of columns. So we can start assignment directly. We can start solution with the help of Hungarian method. So the step 1 is row wise minimum value we have to subtract. So 12 is minimum from first row. So the first row becomes 12 minus 12 is 0. 15 minus 12 is 3. 13 minus 12 becomes 1. 14 minus 12 becomes 2. And 15 minus 12 becomes 3. So 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second row 16, 18, 15, 14, 16. So minimum value is 14. 14 is to be subtracted from every element. So 16 minus 14 is 2. 18 minus 14 is 4. 15 minus 14 is 1. 14 minus 14 is 0. 16 minus 14 is 2. So we will write it in the next row as 2, 4, 1, 0, 2. Third row has got minimum element as 18, 16, 15, 18, 20. So minimum element is 15. 15 is to be subtracted from every element. So 3, 1, 0, 3, 4. 3, 1, 0, 3, 5. So these are the values which are getting with the help of the previous matrix. Fourth row has got elements as 15, 20, 18, 17, 19. Minimum value is 15. 15 is to be subtracted from every element. So the resultant row becomes 0, 5, 3, 2, 4. 0, 5, 3, 2, 4. Last row has got 16, 15, 18, 14, 15. Minimum value is 14. 14 is to be subtracted from every value. So the resultant row becomes 2, 1, 4, 0, 1. 2, 1, 4, 0, 1. So this is our first step, which is nothing but row wise subtraction. Step 2 is column wise subtraction. So if you observe, first column has got 0 as the element, minimum element. So it will get replaced as it is. So 0, 2, 3, 0, 2. 0, 2, 3, 0, 2 will be as it is. Second column has got 1 as the minimum element. So 3 minus 1 becomes 2. 2, 3, 0, 4, 0. 2, 3, 0, 4, 0. Third column has got 0 as minimum element. So again we can replace by same column 1, 1, 0, 3, 4. 1, 1, 0, 3, 4. Fourth column also has got 0 as minimum element. So 2, 0, 3, 2, 0. 2, 0, 3, 2, 0. Last column has got 1 as the minimum element. So 2, 1, 4, 3, 0. 2, 1, 4, 3, 0. So in the third step we have to draw the lines. So we will rewrite the matrix as it is. These 3 zeros can be covered in the first line with help of first line. 2 zeros are covered by this line. So 1, these 2 zeros are covered with help of vertical line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Only there are 4 lines. So as number of lines is not equal to number of rows and columns, solution is not optimal. Now we have to pick up the minimum uncovered element, which is 1. Which is 1. 1 is to be subtracted from all uncovered elements. 1 should be added at the intersection positions, keeping covered elements as it is. So the resultant matrix becomes 1, 3, 4, 0, 3, 1, 3, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 4, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 0. Now again we are going to draw the lines which will cover maximum zeros in minimum number of lines. So the last row has got 3 zeros. So this is the first line we can draw. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 lines. So as number of lines is equal to number of rows and columns, therefore solution is optimal. We can start assignment. So jobs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and persons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll write the resultant matrix in this format: 0, 3, 4, 0, 3, 0, 3, 4, 0, 3, 1, 3, 0, 3, 0, 1, 3, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2, 4, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 4, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 0. So in the first row we do not have exclusive 0. Second row has got exclusive 0. So we will mark this. We will put it in a box. So this 0 will get crossed 1. Third row also, there are 2 zeros in third row. So we will leave this third row. Fourth row has got exclusive 0. So we will put it in a box. Then we will go column wise. Column wise, second column has got only 1 0. So we will have to mark this 0. Sorry, there are 2 zeros in this column. So we will leave this column also. Last column has got 0 as single 0 which is available. So we will put it in a box. So this will get crossed. This will be in a box. So this way we can get the assignments. So job 1 is assigned to person 3 and time is 13 hours. Job 2 is assigned to fourth person, which can be performed in 14 hours. Job 3 is assigned to second person. He can perform it in 16 hours. Fourth job is assigned to first person and time is 15 hours. Fifth job is assigned to fifth person and the time is 15 hours. So 13 plus 14 plus 16 plus 15 plus 15 total becomes 73 hours.